All right, y'all, we're gonna boil some crabs today. I'm gonna show you how we got them, and I'm gonna show you how we do it. Let's go. I just don't feel like, I don't remember having to be out that far. We ain't the first one to do this, as you can see. All right, y'all, we out here crabbing. Let's see what Sarah's thinking. What you thinking, babe, on the crabs?
They ain't got no crabs.
None?
Only alligator.
What happened, babe, when I was out there?
Alligator took your whole poles, all your lines. Your
Disrespecting me, yeah.
Your whole contraption. He said, get out my water. Ate all your bait.
Hell yeah, the alligators is pulling down my poles. How crooked my pole is. I pulled on that damn chicken so hard and I pulled the pole out. Never catch nothing, bro.
Yeah, I didn't know you were supposed to clean the drain pipe stuff. I didn't know.
Well, everybody else in Louisiana can catch crabs, y'all. You already know I had to come by them, but I couldn't catch nothing. All right, y'all, we got about 18 crabs. We're gonna go ahead on and put them in this ice water, baby. We don't want them to knock off their feet when they get in that hot water. All right, y'all, check them crabs out in that cold water, baby. Now we can even handle them. And like I said, now they're not gonna take them claws off and knock them off when they get in that hot water. That's a female, y'all, and that's a male right here in the front, baby, just so you know the difference now. All right, y'all, go up in there, 4 cups of my boil seasoning now. All right, y'all, we got Sarah cutting up the celery, y'all, onions, lemon, everything we got, y'all, going in the pot. We got some garlic. Of course, we got some potatoes, baby, so we getting it going now. I mean, y'all know you gotta get these women working one way or another, baby. Ain't no excuses around here. Go up in there, y'all, with your whole garlic, baby. And them onions with the skin still on it. And all that good celery. Go up in there, y'all, 6 lemons, cut in half now. All right, y'all, I like to hit mine with some lemon abstract, baby, about that much. All right, y'all, let that water get to a rolling ball. All right, y'all, go ahead on, once your water's boiling, put your crabs in, let them boil for 15 minutes now. All right, y'all, with about 7 minutes left, go in there with them little red potatoes now. We're about to shut that fire off, go up in there with your corn now. Now I go ahead up in there, y'all, with that smoked sausage as soon as I shut it down. All right, y'all, we just shut it down. Let them soak for about 20 minutes. Y'all go ahead on, look up in that pot now. All right, y'all, check it out.